electric potential and capacitance. So problems. Problem on exercise 2, page number page 142. So here problem number 1, the parallel plates are separated by two parallel plates are separated by distance, that is R is equal to here 0.03 meters. That means two parallel plates are separated by distance of 0.03 meters. Convert into meters, that is 3 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. Next, the electric field intensity between the plates. Here, electric field intensity between these plates is also given. E is equal to 3000 newtons per coulomb. 3000 newton per coulomb. That calculate the potential difference. Here dr. Here potential difference means dV. dV is equal to, what is the formula? E dot dr. Then dV is equal to E dot dr. Here dV E value is 3000 into dr, means separation between the plates. Actually V is equal to E d. We can write E into d. Okay. Here instead of R we can take, what is it? D also. We can write like this way or like this way. Formula. So 3000 into 3 into 10 power of minus 2. So 3 3s are 9. And here 10 power of 3 into 10 power of minus 2, therefore 9 into 10, 1 2 get cancelled, that is 90 volts. So this is potential difference between the plates. Next, fourth one. So infinity number of electric charges. Infinity number of electric charges are, what are they? Located, each of what is that charge is 2 microcoulomb. So this is 2, sorry, nanocoulomb, 2 into 10 power of minus 9 coulombs. Next, second, that is Q2 is equal to the same, 2 into 10 power of minus 9 coulombs. Q3, next 2 into 10 power of minus 9. Like this way, infinity number of charges are located on the x-axis. Locating at what distances? X is equal to, what is that? The first distance, R1, Rx. We can indicate it with the letter R, Rx. So that is 3 centimeter. First one, 1 centimeter. Second charge is locating at a distance from origin, that is, what is that? 3 centimeter. Third charge is locating at a distance 9 centimeter. And fourth charge is locating at a distance, R4 is equal to 27 centimeter from the origin. So find the potential at origin. The question, what is the potential at origin? Then potential at this point is equal, potential nothing but work done to bring the charge from here to this, and work done to bring the charge from here to this. That is V1, V2 and V3 and so on. Therefore net potential at point, what is that? O, that is at origin. Net potential at origin, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on. V1 is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge, first charge Q1 and distance, what is that, R1 plus Q2 by R2 plus Q3 divided by R3 and so on, infinity number of charges. So 1 by 4 by epsilon naught value, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. This is the value of this. Next, here identical charges, all are same. Q1 is equal to Q2, it is equal to Q3 and so on. That is equal to Q is equal to 2 into 10 power of minus 9 coulombs. So Q value 2 into 10 power of minus 9 into 1 by R1. R1 means 1. And next, here opposite charges. One is plus, next one is minus. Next one is plus, next one is minus. So in given question, opposite charges are keeping at a distances 1, 3, 9, 27 from the origin. Now calculate potential. So here this is minus, this is plus, next minus, next plus and so on. Minus of 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 9 and next minus of 1 by 27 and so on. So this is given in centimeters. 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like this way, convert into meters, 10 power minus 2. So here 9 2s are 18. Here 10 power plus 9 minus 9 get cancel. Then 10 power of minus 2. Here it is in the form of, what is that? Sum of what is that? GP. Actually, it is in GP. Then sum of these infinity numbers, formula A by 1 minus R. A first term, that is 1 minus of 1 by 3. Then minus of minus plus 1 by 4, 3. This is 3 plus 1, what is that? 4. Here 3 taken to numerator, 3 by 4. This value can substitute here, 3 by 4. Then 2 2 ja, 2 9 ja, 18. Next 9 3 ja, 27. 27 by 2 into 10 power of plus 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja 6. Next 13 point, so 5 ja, 2 5 ja 10. Then 1 3 5 0 0. This is potential. Okay. 250. A point will be shifted to only 2 digits. So an electric charge 10 power of minus 3 microcoulomb is placed at the origin. This is x-axis. Next y-axis. Here charge 10 power of minus 3 coulomb. It is keeping at origin, microcoulomb. Okay. It is at origin 0, 0. Next, so 2 points A and B in xy coordinate system. This is x and y coordinate system. At origin, here charge will be keeping, that is 10 power of minus 3 microcoulombs. Next, 2 points A and B are situated at root 2, 2, 0. This is the point situating on this x-axis. A, that is point is 2, 0. X term is there, then y term it is 0. Then B point it is, this is B point, root 2, root 2. That means x distance and y distance, both of them is there. So these 2 points are situated in a xy coordinate system. Okay. Next question is, what is the potential difference between the points A and B? What is the potential difference between the points? Potential difference nothing but the work done to bring the charge from what is it here to this, and work done to bring the charge from here to this, and what is the potential at this point is V1, and work done to bring the charge from here to this point is V2. Therefore V1 minus of V2, the potential difference. So potential difference value we can measure. So first, what is the distance between these 2 points? That is, so first V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q distance. Distance between these 2 points. This is OA. Okay. Next, potential at this point is equal to what is that? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by what is that? OB. And OA next OB. OA value we can measure. OA is equal to square root of what is that formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. This is distance between 2 points formula. x2 means 2 minus of 0 whole square plus y2 0 minus of 0 whole square. Therefore, what is that? 2 square root get cancelled. Then OB is also we can measure. That is x2 minus of x1 root 2 minus of 0 whole square plus root 2 minus of 0 whole square. Same formula. So 2 plus 2, that is equal to square root of 4, that is equal to 2. Here, what is that? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 10 power of minus 3 divided by what is that? OA value is 2. Next, here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 10 power of minus 3 divided by 2. So what is that? Potential difference. Potential difference is V1 minus of V2. Okay. So therefore V1 minus of V2 is here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 10 power of minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 10 power minus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.